Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Okay, so after so many deviations from animalism, today we are going to talk about one more deviation from animalism, that is multiple allelism, or simply multiple alleles. Now, till now we were considering Mendel also considered that every gene has two alleles, but it was found that there may be multiple alleles, more than two alleles for a given gene. So when more than two different forms of a given gene exist in a species, they are called as multiple alleles. But remember here that multiple alleles are found in case of population. So we are talking actually about a population here, not a single individual. Of course, for a single individual, only two alleles exist for a given gene. But when we talk about population, so here it is actually a population genetics concept. So when we talk about population, there may be multiple alleles for a given gene. So normally individuals have two alleles, but during his study on genetics, Mendel also assumed only two alleles for one trait. So there can be large number of possible allelic forms in that same population. This situation is called as multiple allelism. So remember here that multiple allelism is found in case of a population. Now there are certain features of multiple alleles. The multiple alleles, they always occupy the same locus on the chromosome. So for a homologous chromosome on the same locus, the multiple alleles exist, and multiple alleles, they always influence the same character. So it is not like one allele controls one character and the other allele controls another character. No, always these multiple alleles, they always control the same character, and there is no crossing over between. There is no crossing over among these multiple alleles, among the members of the same allele, among the members of the same multiple allelic series. So there are different examples of multiple alleles. One most common example in human is blood group. So we have different blood groups. We have A, we have B, we have AB, we have O. So there are different blood groups in humans, and this different blood group in humans, it is an example of multiple allelism. Then there is coat color in mice, coat color in rabbit, eye color in Drosophila. So all these characters, they are controlled by multiple alleles. Now let's talk about blood group in humans. Now this is the classical and most common example of the multiple alleles, is the blood group in humans, that is AB type. So gene coding blood group has three alleles rather than two. Now we will see about this, that there are three alleles for the gene which codes for this blood group in humans. Now for the ABO gene, that means the gene which controls the ABO blood group, there are three alleles.